smiled before, twice. It was really cute. Do it again. I didn't feel the fluts. I didn't feel cocky. I don't know what you did. But it's really cute. I love you. Smile again. Yes? Come on, smile for Daddy. No?
Mama. Hi, sweetheart.
Smile. A big smile? Like you've been doing? You're very advanced.
There it is.
Yay! Wait, there's more. You're very advanced for your age. She smiles. She winks.
Brilliant. We love you.
Again. Mommy loves you. I love you so much. Again. If you're making cocky, it's good.